Catherine Bernardo update. Ito yung mga picture ni Catherine. Ayun, sakay pa nga sila ng boat. Yung mga kasabay niya. Sila John B. Aris, Trina, at Dominic. Ayan, sarap pa nga ng kain ni Catherine ng burger. Kasama yung mga friends niya dyan. Sa El Nido, Palawan. So, ito pa yung mga video ni Catherine sa kanyang kaarawan. 18th birthday sa Palawan. IG story ni Kuya Robby, sabi niya HBD Catherine Bernardo, thanks for the best this time. Ayan pa yung mga picture ni Catherine. Ayan, kita naman gaano kasaya si Catherine. Ayan, IG story yan ni Trina. Ayan, ganda ng smile ni Catherine. Ayan, ayan post ni Darren. Sinapan ng laro nila Ayan, ito yung post ni Mami Min para kay Catherine. And during birthday, sabi, shout out to you my daughter. You have felt okay lately but you get up every day and refuse to quit. I really appreciated your desire to talk and share your problems, ideas and opinions, and very much appreciated how you consider the guidance of our family in every step of the way. And happy 28th birthday, we love you. Ayun po sabi ni Mami Min kay Catherine, happy birthday. Huwag kalimutan mag-subscribe, click ang notification bell for more update. Ito po ang Nuture Reaction Live. Bye guys, thank you for watching.